Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your recordings and your screenshots on Steam. Yes, you get that right. Steams don't allow you to do recording and also take screenshots from your video game. So if you're currently doing recordings and taking screenshots, you can easily find this in Steam. All you have to do is head over to the menu option on the left hand side, click on view, and you will see the last option here in the list. It says recordings and screenshots, and this is a new feature, so you want to check this out. Another way is by simply clicking on F12 from your computer. Now currently I have no recordings or screenshots, but as you can see, this is where you'll be able to access them. So here you can go ahead and you can click get started and you can proceed, and once you're ready you will be able to have your recordings and screenshots and all these things and all. So this is where you can find it. You can find it from the settings as well. Here it says game recording. You can basically record your games in Steam, and you have the option. Currently it says recording off, but guys, you can go ahead and you can start utilizing these options here with Steam. So here you can basically record in the background and you can use it, and when you're ready you can easily go ahead and find your recordings in it easily. So once you're inside Steam, you can go ahead and you can press F12 on your keyboard, and you can easily go ahead and access your game and recordings. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Hope you found value within this video, guys. If you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.